Hi, welcome from Budapest. This is my topmost beautiful things to do in Budapest for free. Number one पे सबसे पहले it is Buda Castle, which I categorize number one in free things to do. Budapest was started building in 13th century, and then there were a lot of conquests through which there was a lot of wear and tear, and now it has been restored to its full glory. Now, after a stroll through the castle, we will go to the walls of the castle and will gaze across the Danube at the Parliament building. You can see the Danube. आप सामने Danube River देख सकते हैं और इससे सारा पेस्ट वाली साइड देख सकते हैं. You know, this river distributes the Buda and the Pest. That's why it's called Budapest. This side is Buda and that side is Pest. And this is the Parliament building. My number two topmost is the Ascension Chain Bridge, which connects the Buda and the Pest side. Now we are on the Pest side और यहाँ से हम Buda Castle को देख रहे हैं. Danube है, evening walk. The next day we started off with the peaceful stroll through Margaret Island. This is my number three free and most beautiful places to visit in Budapest. आपको जाना चाहिए यहाँ पे. It's a beautiful serene garden जहाँ पे बहुत सारे museums हैं, places to do. There is a beautiful walk with the Danube, and there are Japanese garden at well in this park. My next most top thing to do in Danube is a walk with the Danube River. अब ये देख सकते हैं ये एक बोट है which is in the shape of a bus, and It's a very interesting bus ride or a boat ride. As our walk continues along the Danube, we see the shoes on Danube, which is a memorial for the darkest period of the city in World War II, and it gives tribute to the lost souls. Our next stop is the beautiful Parliament building and its surroundings. As you can see, we saw it from the Buddha side in the evening, and it was beautiful. This is the famous Lao Square, and it has a lot of monuments and the Parliament building. This is the monument giving tribute to the Laos, the leader of the Hungarian fight of independence in 1848-1849. ये काउंट गयोला अंद्रासे का स्टैचू है, who was the first prime minister of Hungary, or he was also the freedom fighter of Hungary. Now let's walk around and see all this square in its full beauty. अब हम जा रहे हैं जूइश क्वार्टर की तरफ, और ये बीच में एक बहुत बड़ी स्ट्रीट है जहाँ पे संडे मार्केट लगती है, एंड दे सेल ऑल दीज हैंडमेड आइटम्स इन दीज संडे मार्केट्स. इट्स अ ह्यूज स्ट्रीट वेयर देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ ईटिंग प्लेसेस बाय फेमस शेफ्स. Now let's walk through. Our next and last stop is the Simple Cards, the ruin pubs. And this is the topmost things to do in Hungary. और ये बहुत खूबसूरत सा pub है. This pub has a very nice a vibrant vibe, and it's equally good during the day and in the evening. Now let's go through the pub.